Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you a AI platform similar to GitHub Copilot. This plugin allows you to understand. It's a program assistant tool. It's called as CodeGeeX, CodeGeeX. It's a Chinese website. It's also available in English as well. Originally, it's a Chinese kind of a AI assistant similar to GitHub Copilot, and it has all the extensions available for all the editors: VSCode, PyCharm, Web Studio, Android Studio. So this is actually the platform. So if you just go to Google, just type here Code Geeks AI. So this will be the platform which comes right here. It's also on GitHub as well, so you can check out there. So now if you go to installation, simply go to extensions and just type in the extensions tab, which is CodeGeeX. So as you write this now, this extension will come right here. It's almost having 1 million installs. So it's a AI powered coding assistant which can suggest code. So just click the install button to activate this plugin. So once you activate this plugin, in the sidebar section, this will show. So just wait for the installation to complete. So just accept the terms and conditions and then log in just click open. So here you can log in with your Google account. So click on login. So just wait, it's this website is in Chinese. So just if you are not Chinese user, you can turn on the Google Translate. So as soon as you do this, you will be automatically logged in. So now you can open your VS Code. So right in the sidebar section, this icon will show CodeGeeX. Simply activate this. So once you activate this, you will have this chat prompt. And one problem is that it's in Chinese here. You can see you can use all the models, AI models. So you are using the Anthropic Claude 4 Sonnet model. They also have their own Pro model as well. So I can generate here any code here. So I will say build a, I can open a file right here. Just attach, open a file right here. You can even attach files as well. So just select whatever file that you want to attach. So I attach this. So here I will say build a simple image to PDF web app and browser. So as soon as you do this, guys, you will see it will try to generate the file for you automatically, the source code. So it will automatically insert this, and said you can see that. So it is, you can see automatically it is doing it the job here. After you can run this application once the application is generated. So you can see it created a simple image to PDF application. So image to PDM, so you can see instantly this is the application that it generated. So we can ask you to as well, we can attach the file here, just reference the file, whatever file. So it's completely free to use, guys. You can see we are using the latest Claude 4 model. Please modify the source code and just write inside the file, make a scientific calculator in single file. Just write the code inside the file. If you just give the instructions here, it will try to automatically build out the scientific calculator. Please automatically So as you can see the speed here, it is automatically suggesting the source code. So this is the AI coding assistant. So if you go to any file, it can even suggest you some things as well. So if you just open, just write this. So as you can see, it is just need to press the tab key to accept the suggestions. So just require. So as you can see, it is suggesting me. So I will simply press the tab key, and after that, as you write, again it is suggesting you. You can see. So in this easy way, guys, you can use this extension. It's a very good extension, and it's completely free to use. As you can see, it's having almost 1 million installs. So it's similar to GitHub Copilot, but the thing about this extension is that it doesn't cost you money as opposed to GitHub Copilot. So as you can, I basically suggested all the features right here. So it basically suggests you suggestions right here. You can see it can be in any language here. You can see as I'm writing the code here, it is suggesting me. So definitely install this extension, guys, CodeGeeX AI coding assistant. And thank you very much for watching this video. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.